ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence that uses natural language conversational dialogue. This language model can respond to questions and can compose various written content, including articles, social media content, social media posts, essays, codes, emails, and ChatGPT can even write a script for you. I know all of you have been hearing about how you can use ChatGPT to earn $1,000, $3,000, a lot of money, and some of you do not believe in this. Now, this topic for today came because I met a friend of mine yesterday and I was just like, okay, it's been a long time. I haven't seen you. Where have you been? He told me he traveled out of town to learn how to write a script with ChatGPT. And I was so disappointed because he is actually a subscriber to my channel, but he missed out on a lot of topics concerning ChatGPT. And with what he said to me yesterday, I was just like, okay, maybe I should take a detailed video on how you can use ChatGPT to create and write a lot of things for yourself. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is this? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh, and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online, and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, do not forget to click on that like button. It will help the algorithm of YouTube to send this video to as many people as possible. Thank you. Now, hearing what my friend said, he had to go out of town to learn how to write a script using ChatGPT. I felt really disappointed, and I hope this video will help a lot of you and even him to be able to use ChatGPT to do a lot of things. You can write a script. I mean, you can write your blogs using ChatGPT. You can also do your assignments from ChatGPT. Now, we're going to look into ChatGPT and see exactly what you can use this artificial intelligence chatbot to do. Now, we're going to take some examples with ChatGPT so you can see exactly what you can do with ChatGPT or how you can use it to earn money from the online space. We're going to write a script, how you can ask ChatGPT to write a blog for you, how you can ask ChatGPT to do your assignments for you, for those of you who are students, and how you can look for a lot of things using this chatbot. Now, you'll be amazed at what ChatGPT can write for you. Now, go over to Google and type in ChatGPT. Click right here. If you have an account, you can sign in. If you don't, you can create an account in less than a minute using your Google account. Now, this is the interface of ChatGPT, and like I said earlier, you will be surprised at what ChatGPT can do for you. Now, one thing I want you guys to know is I've been using ChatGPT for over some time now. It's over a year. If you see right here at the left-hand side of your screen, I've been using ChatGPT since 2023 and the early months of 2023. All right. So, one of the things I've been able to enjoy from ChatGPT is that ChatGPT has been able to write descriptions for all my YouTube videos. It has really enhanced, work for me on YouTube. Now, what I always do is when I have a video and I want to upload on YouTube, I just come right here and type in like this. Write a description, hashtag, and SEOs that will go viral on YouTube on the topic how to go viral on YouTube. This is just an example. All right. So ChatGPT is going to generate the description, best hashtags that can go viral, and SEOs for me, just like what it's doing right here. It's as simple as this. All right. Now, because this is a video that we don't want to spend our whole day here, if you are okay with what ChatGPT has generated for you right here, you can click on stop and ChatGPT will stop writing for you. All right. Now, take a look at what ChatGPT has generated. YouTube video description. Unlock the secret to going viral on YouTube in 2024. Now, this is the description right here, and we have right below here the best SEOs as to this topic, and we also have below here hashtags. Now, come to the bottom right here. Right here, if you click on it, ChatGPT is going to read through what it has generated for you. And right here, you can actually copy what you have written right here to post in another place. All right. Right here, you can regenerate it if you are not comfortable with what ChatGPT did. All right. Let's click on read and hear what ChatGPT will
YouTube
read for
video
us.
description. Unlock the secrets to going viral on YouTube in 2024. Want to skyrocket your channel's growth and get those views rolling in?
Amazing. So it's as simple as that. So, like I said earlier, you can actually generate social media posts from ChatGPT. If you want to post on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, you can come right here to generate that for yourself. Now, the next thing you can do on ChatGPT is you can also ask ChatGPT to write a script for you. Like I said, spending your time to go learn how to use ChatGPT is really a waste of time. All you have to do is to come right here and you write whatever you want ChatGPT or the story you want ChatGPT to generate for you. Just like right here, give me titles of movies that can go viral on Netflix about African witchcraft. Now click on enter and ChatGPT is going to write titles that you can use to write a script about. All right. So it's as simple as that. Let's click right here to stop what ChatGPT is generating. So we have 10 different topics here or titles here that you can use. All right. And it's very simple. I don't want to read it.
Here are some compelling movie titles that could potentially go viral on Netflix, focusing on African witchcraft. 1. Coven of Shadows. 2. The Witch Doctor's Curse. 3. Bloodlines of the Ancient.
So it is as simple as that. Reading it, you are not compelled to read it. You can let ChatGPT do the work for you. And the next thing you can do is to ask ChatGPT to write a proper script, just like what I've written here. Write a script using Chi, a man, and B, a lady, as lead characters on the title. Then you can come over here and copy any of the titles you prefer. All right. You put it right here and wait for ChatGPT to generate this script for you. All right, let's give ChatGPT a minute to do its work. All right, here we go. ChatGPT is generating the script for us, and amazingly, you do not need to go through this, to read all the scripts on your own. You can go to the end of the script and click for ChatGPT to read it over to you. So another thing you can do is for ChatGPT to read the whole script for you. As you can see right here, we have cut to cheese herd. All right. So ChatGPT is aware that in Africa we have herds, we have village stories, you know what they do in Asaba and all that. All right. So ChatGPT would do this work for you. Look at scene two. All right. Rather than me reading through this, let's hear as ChatGPT reads it for us.
Title: The Dark Ritual. Genre: Supernatural Thriller. Scene 1: A remote African village. The scene opens with a thick, eerie fog rolling over a dense forest. The camera slowly pans down to reveal a small, isolated village. The air is filled with the sounds of distant drums and whispers in an ancient tongue. The full moon casts an ominous glow over the thatched huts. Cut Cheese Hut. Inside a dimly lit hut, Chi, a man in his early 30s, with a strong, rugged,
Amazing. I already love the story. I'm from Cameroon, so I had to give names, Cameroon names, Chi and B for ChatGPT to generate the script for us. Now, because I stopped ChatGPT from generating it, it only got to scene four. But if I let ChatGPT, it would have given me over 1,000 words, depending on what you want. Now, the amazing thing about ChatGPT, like I said, you can copy right here. If you copy right here, if you go through the script and you're not comfortable, you can come right here on Google
search for your Google Doc. Remember, we have already copied the script. All right. Come to the blank document right here. Paste the script we just copied. And then right here on your Google Doc, you can take your time, go through the script and edit it to your liking. It is as simple as that. You don't need to spend your time, I mean, scripting out this with your pen or paper or typing through. I mean, ChatGPT is here to do this work for you. It is as simple as that. Whatever you want to ask ChatGPT to do for you, ChatGPT will do the work. I hope you guys love this so far.
Now, if you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on any of our exciting videos. All right. Thank you so very much.
Now, another thing you can do on ChatGPT is to write your blog right here, right? So you can just come right here to ChatGPT and write like this. Write a blog post on the protest going on in Nigeria right now, and you click on enter, and ChatGPT will give you exactly what you've asked. This is just an example because this is what is happening in Nigeria right now. There's a protest going on, and if you're looking at your screen right now, you will see NSAS right here. You would see there is somewhere I'm seeing Tinubu right here. I mean President Bola Tinubu administration and all that. This is just to tell you that ChatGPT can really perform magic. Now, when you're giving a prompt to ChatGPT, make sure that you're specific on exactly what you want. Now, we gave a topic about the protest in Nigeria. You can ask for the protest in Lagos State, in Abuja, whatever state you desire, and you can ask ChatGPT to write maybe 1,000 words, 2,000 words, 5,000 words, or even 50,000 words, and ChatGPT would do that for you. Now, if you are a student, or let's not say you're a student because it's very simple. If you're a student, you can just write whatever question you want to ask right here. Maybe you have an assignment, you can ask ChatGPT to write the assignment for you, and ChatGPT will do write that. Now, if you're a teacher, a professor, and you want to make notes for your students, all you can do is to come over here and give a precise prompt on what you want ChatGPT to generate for you, like what I've done right here. Write notes on the female reproductive organ, including drawings. So let's see if ChatGPT can pull out drawings on the female reproductive system. Now, I don't want to stop ChatGPT because I really want to see if ChatGPT can pull out the female reproductive organ as a drawing, because I've never tried that with ChatGPT. But let's see if this is possible. Amazing. All right. So ChatGPT didn't spend enough time to, generate this note for us. But if you're not comfortable with what ChatGPT has generated, you can come right here to click on regenerate, and ChatGPT is going to regenerate this particular topic for you. No matter the topic, ChatGPT will definitely pull it out for you. All right. So it's as simple as that, and you can go over, copy the script, go over to your Google document, and then you edit it just like what I showed you before, and you can go back to class and you teach your student or give your student the note. But make sure you always go through whatever ChatGPT has generated for you and edit it, read over, edit it if the details that you want are in your note or whatever ChatGPT has generated. Now, I had to wait till the end of what ChatGPT would generate so we see exactly what it would generate for us. So we have a sample of the female reproductive system right here. We have left ovaries, we have right ovaries, we have the uterus, we have the cervix, and we have the V. All right. So this is what ChatGPT can do for you and more. And the interface of ChatGPT is very, very simple to use. You don't need to be worried about that. It's as simple as what you are seeing on your screen right now. Right here is where you can write your message, and then Right here, we have ChatGPT. You can explore ChatGPT right here. Just like I've clicked on it, you can go through what you can do on ChatGPT. Top picks, we have writings, we have productivity, research, analysis, education, lifestyle, and programming. So you have a lot you can do on ChatGPT. You can just go through the interface and see what you can do. And amazingly, you can save all the work you have done on ChatGPT. Meaning, after generating whatever you're generating from ChatGPT, it will all be saved right here at the left-hand side of the screen. So you don't need to be worried. You can come back after a year, after 6 months, after 2 years, and you click on it and then you can reuse it. Right here, you can close the bar, to have your full page, or you can open the bar, and ChatGPT is as simple as this, right? You can make a lot of money from ChatGPT. That is why you hear a lot of YouTubers saying you can make $1,000, you can make $3,000, $500. Is because if you're a blogger, you can write your blog right here. If you are a writer, you can write your book right here, and then you publish on other platforms.
Amazing, right? If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, don't forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you very much. Now, it is as simple as this to use. Pay school fees somewhere to learn how to use this chatbot. If this video is not as good as what you think, just type in on YouTube, ChatGPT, how you can use it, and you would see various content on how you can explore this chatbot. Do not waste your time going out of home. Your smartphone or your laptop can help you learn how to use this artificial intelligence chat boot. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. So see you on our next exciting episode on the strategies you can use to grow your YouTube channel. Love you all. Bye bye.